big campsite. That'd be nice flying out of here too.
Right, reception. New arrivals, keep flying.
Hey, Sizzle!
Bloody filming, hi bro.
It's a quick one. It is raining still. We are at our campsite. Is Rendlesham Forest, because there's a forest all the way over there. Now I'm not going to speak long because it is raining. We want to get this up, so we're going to be. Hang on. I'm going to do it real quick. Ready? Boom! See, you've done it already. Look, it took no time at all.
Right.
It took 8 minutes, didn't it?
It took 8 minutes.
Now we just fiddled around, putting bits inside.
Yeah. 8 minutes.
Yes, it's all right.
Yeah.
And it's almost stopped raining. Everything is awesome
Everything is cool
when you work together. What?
Everything is cool when you're part of a team.
Oh, part of a team. I thought when you work together.
No, everything is awesome. Everything is cool.
When you work as a team.
Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome.
And talk about team. Pull that off for me. Bada bing. Worked as a team.
We
Got the stove ready.
got the stove ready. I'll get the rest of the stuff in from the car.
And it wasn't level, so we've improvised to level it up. There we go. And yes, it's not going to be right beside the tent when we're cooking. It's going to be away from the edge. So,
Hey bro!
what's cooking?
What's cooking? So we have pasta already boiling, and we have here, so it has already been cooked. So I did the chicken with mushrooms and onion at home on Friday, and the idea is the creamy sauce, and it just, yeah, heat it up. When the pasta's done, drain the pasta. That should be fun.
No colander.
No colander, no, have to do it the old
Style way, yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
you know,
with
there
the
was a
lid
day
sort
when
of
there's no
thing.
colanders. They just, you know,
Yeah.
in the sink.
And then just add that into that, stir it all up, bish bash bosh, done. There was supposed to be some vegetables with it, but that didn't happen.
Okay. So just a side note.
Side note.
You always cook and get all the ingredients because if I did it, I would end up poisoning you. So it's best just to leave you to do all the celiac stuff for the celiac person. I'll just eat whatever. I'm not fussy.
It was a good job you're not fussy, because otherwise you'll be getting hungry.
Yeah, but the thing is, the food isn't bad. You know,
It isn't bad.
Isn't bad. I mean, I've had better. No, it's all right. You don't really
Right, I
notice.
think I'm having a
It's-
very big portion myself.
It's decent. It's really decent stuff now, I think. Yeah.
The only thing I think today that we've had that hasn't been great, and that's the rolls, because they're gluten-free rolls.
They were just a little bit dry,
Dry.
I think. That's it. But, you know, it's not the end of the world, is it? You know, we'll get on with it.
Coffee with it, didn't we?
Yeah, that washed it down a bit.
But you got to think that's what I have to eat all the time.
Well,
Do you feel sorry for me?
It's better than being ill, isn't it?
Well, yes.
It's less than two evils.
Especially knowing how far the toilets are from here. You've got a nice walk tonight.
Yeah. I mean, there is a load of trees behind us here, but, you know. There you go.
Yeah, it's all right for you, man.
Yeah, well.
So, yeah.
Yeah, okay, right. Well, I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, me too.
And me beer.
And you beer.
Hey,
Oh, gee. Hi, bro. It's me trying to put my head up in my own little well, trying to keep dry.
I thought I'd scare you.
and then
yeah.
you're scared.
So, should we go look for some UFOs?
We're going to see if we can find a UFO and hopefully get kidnapped by aliens.
Well, it could be a fun little ride.
And then, like, everybody would wonder where we'd gone.
Did
and
you
everybody
fancy
would
going on a
start to
road trip or a space trip?
Yeah. Can you imagine the next one?
Oh,
hey,
God.
bro. Hey, sister. Where are we? I think we're in an alien spaceship.
Yeah, so we'll, it's a bit drizzly still, isn't it?
So in Rendlesham Forest.
Yeah, Rendlesham
campsite.
Forest. And that's where this whole UFO thing happened in. I think it's 89, something like that. With some military guys. They, yeah.
I think they were a bit bored.
Well, they could have been. I reckon I might have been on the drink. You don't know. You know, they might have been aboard. You know, doing the rounds.
Well, they did say it was quiet, didn't they? And
Yeah.
they did the rounds. And can you imagine?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm bored. Hey, should we say we've seen a UFO?
Or maybe it's some of their other guys. Yeah, like, you know what? They're them UFO freaks. We're freak the hell out of them. We're shining a bright torch through the trees. And I'm like, what the hell? And of course, they couldn't then say, could they?
No.
Because they would have been right in trouble.
Yeah, yeah.
But no, I'm going to go to the UFOs instead.
Anyway, we're going to go on a walk where these UFOs were supposedly.
All right, let's see. Let's see. No UFOs yet. They're patrolling the perimeter. This was the perimeter, obviously.
Yeah, but why were they patrolling?
Well, because there's something to do. Make sure no one's trying to get in over the fence or something, you know. So, yeah. Mm.
So that, I guess, still belongs to the MOD.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if all of this used to belong to them and how they've like sold it.
I'm gonna guess this was just the road that went round the airfield. Hey, Scully.
Hi, Mulder. Hold on, Aunt Scully and Mulder in love.
No. Everyone thinks they are.
But they're not.
Nah,
Right,
she got
okay.
no interest in me. Just too much of a dope to
Right,
know.
we'll carry on with that storyline then.
Actually, I'm looking forward to working with you. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh, really? I was under the impression that you were sent to spy on me.
Hey, Scully.
Hi, Mulder.
What are we looking for?
Wow. Hold on, Scully's the one that doesn't believe, isn't she?
Oh, yeah.
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 I don't know. I think that's just lights from a lighthouse.
I
over
tell you,
there.
it's a UFO!
No, Mulder.
It's got to be.
Not.
It
No,
is, I know.
It's from the lighthouse.
believe. It's not the lighthouse. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Let me just flip the camera there.
I think they're beams from the lighthouse.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
Okay, let's go a bit further. Okay. Flip the camera again, huh? What is there? No.
The camera facing on you.
It's got to be. I know. Got to be something I can't see.
Stop, because you
Hang
can walk
on.
into a tree.
Okay. Right, just hold that and film that way. That was weird.
Where did you go to, Mulder?
I didn't go anywhere. You saw me
disappeared.
here all the time.
No, you disappeared, Mulder.
I was standing right next to you.
No, you disappeared. I'm telling you, you disappeared.
No, you've seen something that I haven't. I was stood here all the time with you. We was filming together, and I said, "Look at that over there," and you said, "It's nothing." I knew there was something. Alrighty. Now, hang on, let me put the torch on my head. That'll be easier to work out then. It's definitely a UFO. Look at it, it's just glistening black.
Look at the photo I took.
Oh, well, good. Can you walk round, like, on that bit maybe, if you don't fall off?
On it.
Yeah, and shine your torch down on it as you're walking round, and I might get the filming of it. Yeah? I'll just be careful how you're walking on it.
I've got to get up.
Can you get up? Come on, I jumped up there. Oh, you got it, okay. Okay. Okay, now shine it down, there we go, hang on.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's coming out great. There you go.
The aliens have landed.
Oh, hang on. I'll shine you, you shine me. Hey, Sisso.
Hi, bro.
We found the alien ship.
Do you think we found the mothership?
Just shine your torch down so I can see it. There you go, you're standing on it. Yeah, so this is apparently where it was, in this bit of trees, but it's really dark now.
So
Maybe.
how on earth could they mistake it for a lighthouse here?
What, did they mistake us a lighthouse? I thought I'd just say lights in the skies.
No, I thought they said lighthouse.
Oh, okay. We'll have to have another look at that. I don't think it was a lighthouse.
Now, look. Look at my knees.
Oh, yeah. I look really peculiar with the light on me like this. Yeah, it looks like I've got horns. All right. Hang on. Roasting marshmallows on the stove. Yummy, yummy,
Who
yummy.
needs a campfire?
You're still melting it, aren't you?
And you don't get that charcoal.
Well, that's it. Yeah, you don't get like gritty charcoal-y. Hey, Sisso.
Hi, bro.
More. And the hot chocolate. It's 11?
Yep.
11 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
We went looking for aliens, didn't find some, but found a spaceship. Wasn't a real one, but we still found a spaceship.
Yeah, but you disappeared.
Well, I was standing beside you all the time. I don't know what you were seeing. So, s'mores.
Hot, hot, hot.
Bop, 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 bop. And watch Netflix.
Hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate. I thought it was Netflix. There's a film, The Dig, that we're going to watch.
I think we're a bit late for that now.
Maybe.
We've got a very, very energetic day tomorrow on the next trail. The witch, and the broom and the witch.
Witch and the broomstick. Yeah. A bit of fun. Right.
Cheers.